explore git reset mixed, which git reset mix will basically compare a commit and your current working directory, and with those changes it will basically it will kind of erase that commit and all of the commits since that commit, and then those changes it will have them changed locally in your working directory, but they will not be committed. Whereas git reset mixed, they will be already staged, or staged rather, not committed. So anyway, let's see what I'm talking about. So we just have a clean repository here. We can initialize it. We can write to some random file, just get a few, or just get a commit, initial commit. So now we'll log, and then we'll see we have one commit. Okay, so now what we're going to do to demonstrate what git reset mix does is we're going to, we can write again to the file, the exact same file, and now let's do git status, and we'll see that we have modification. Okay, so another thing I didn't mention is that git reset mix, or any of the git reset commands, if you don't pass a commit hash, or a commit ref, it will assume you're referring to head. So let's think now, what if I just executed git reset mixed right now? So again, git reset mix is going to look at the commit you reference, which in this case will be head if we don't pass any commit, and it'll say, okay, now let's look at the differences between this commit and the current working directory, and we're going to take all those changes and just have them be locally changed, but not be on the index or being staged. So anyway, long story short, also for what it's worth, git is not, this file isn't even, this file is tracked actually. So again, long story short, there should be no change with git reset mixed. We don't want that, we want mixed. So let's see, it does give us a message, but it won't, nothing has changed at all. We still have the exact same file for the exact same state for our file, and if we look at the log also it's exactly the same, and also if we just cat it, we can see we can see that it's exactly as we'd expect. We had echoed a 1 into the file for the initial commit, and then for this second commit, or after that, we echoed it again. So anyway, we kind of see that there's no change. What about if we add it to the staging area? So let's get status, see what's up. We can see it's in the staging area. It's ready to commit. Now let's run git reset mix again, and what do you think is going to happen? Okay, so it tells us there were unstaged changes. So it's a very clear message, and that's exactly what happened. So now, again, the changes were unstaged. So, you know, in layman's terms, it basically means if you have staged changes, they will be unstaged. If you don't pass a commit, it'll just defaults to head commit. So it'll basically unstage changes. If you have changes that aren't even staged and are just in your working directory, it won't do anything. And of course, if you don't have any changes at all, it also won't do anything. So we can here. Why don't we just commit this, or add it and commit it? Just kind of clean our working directory. Second commit. Okay, so you can see we have a clean working directory, and now I just wanted to show you guys, if we run git reset mixed, there will be no change at all because there's no difference between the working directory and the head commit currently. Okay, that's all for